Hello, dear students, grade 5. This is exercise 7-1. We said, Aaron, divide a cake into 4 equal pieces. What fraction of the cake of each piece? We say it's one cake, we say 1/4 immediately. And that will be the fraction. Let's go question number 2. This is show how many way in which 5 children can share 2 pizzas equally between them. Like you put dot in the middle, and then you draw lines to each dot. This is what you do. First, you do the dot in the middle, and then you draw them. And this will be each one of them. They say how much pizza does each child get? Each child will get what? 2/5 of the pizzas, because you're gonna get 1 piece here and 1 piece here. It will be 2/5. Calculate 3/4 of 36. We say 36 divide 4 is equals to 9, then 9 multiplied 3 is equal to 27. With the same idea here, we say 24 divide 3 is equals to 8, and 8 multiplied 2 is equal to 16. With the same understanding, number C, 25 divide 5 is equal to 5, and 5 multiplied 4 equals to 20. Let's go to question number 4. They say this picture represents 1/3 of a shape. It has what? 5 rectangles. Draw a whole shape. Can you find another way for doing it? Before we do this, we need to know what is a number. We said 1/3 of a shape is equals 5. We need to find the whole shape. Before you go, you need to understand. Here, the missing part is the number itself, not the final answer, or not the part. In this case, you say 5 multiplied 3 is equal to 15, and then you divide by 1. Or you could say 5 divide 1 is equal to 5, then you multiply by 3 is equal to 15. So you need to understand the whole shape is going to be 15 what? 15 rectangles. So you can go and draw any 15 rectangles. You can draw 15 rectangles this way, or 15 rectangles this way, or 15 rectangles this way, as you like. But make sure you just what? You join any 15 rectangles together. Let's say how many rectangles are there in the whole shape? In the whole shape, there are 15 rectangles as we mentioned before. Remember, like there is 2 different type of questions will be given to you. One of them, they could give you the what? The fraction and the whole number. They say 2 over, for example, like what? They say 2/3 of any number. For example, of what? Let's say of 27. In this case, you're going to divide the 27. 27 divide 3, which is equal 9, and 9 multiplied 2 is equals to 18. So the answer is 18. Another way, they could give you the fraction. They say what, for example, like let's say the term like 3/4. This is 3/4 of a missing number is equals to what? Let's say equal to a number like what? Let's say equals to 12. Now I want you to find for me the missing number, or this number here. What you do, first you take the 12, you divide it by 3. 12 divide 3 is equals to 4. And 4 multiplied 4 is equal to 16. So the answer here is 16. Or you could say 12 multiply 4 is equal to 48, and 48 divided 3 is equal to 16, as you like. But you need to remember or to understand which number is missing, because you're not doing the same step. Let's go to the question after. Calculate 1/7 of 56. Say 56 divide 7 equals to 8, and 8 multiply 1 is still 8. Here, 2/7 of 56. 56 divide 7 is 8, and 8 multiply 2 is 16. Here, the same idea, 56 divided 7 is equal to 8, and 8 multiplied 3 is equal to 24. Here, 28, 2/7 of 28. 28 divided 7 is equal to 4, and 4 multiplied 2 is equals to 8. Here, 4/7 of 28. You say 28 divided 7 is equal to 4, and 4 multiplied 4 is equal to 16. They say what is the same about all the calculations and what is same about some of the calculations. Explain your answer. I say what all the calculations have the same denominator, which all of them, they are fractions of 7. And some of them, they have the same value like what? Like this one, 1 over 7 of 56 and 2 over 7 of 28. Both of them, the answer is 8, 8. Or 2 over 7 of 56 and 4 over 7 of 28. Both of them 16, 16. So this is what you need to understand. Let's go question number 6. They say tick the statement that is true, put cross next to and correct the statement are false. Like question number A, you say 3 over 10 of 30 liters is equal to 5 liters. Let's first we find it. 30 divide 10 is equal to 3, and 3 multiplied 3 is equals to 9, and that says equal to 5. So this is wrong. We say 3 over 10 of 30 is equals to 9 liter, because 30 divided 10 is equal to 3, and 3 multiplied 3 is equals 9. Let's go question number 2. Let's say 4 over 20 liters is equal to 16 liters. We divide 20 divide 5 is equal to 4, and 4 multiplied 4 is equal to 16. So 16 liters, yes, that's correct. The one after, they say 5 over 8 of 24 liters is equal to 16 liters. Let's go find it. 24 divide 8 is equal to 3, and 3 multiplied 5 is equal to 15. So this is the wrong answer. So we said what? 5 over 8 of 24 is equal to 15. And as I mentioned before, you say 24 divide 8 is equals to 3, and 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. So the correct answer is 15 liters. Go question number 7. They say draw a line from each calculations to the correct what box. Like they say, give us 1 over 2 of 40. 1 over 2 of 40, we find it first. We say 40 divided 2 is equal to 20, and 20 multiplied 1 is equals 20. Then we go find 2 over 5 of 60. 60 divided 5 is equal to 12, and 12 multiplied 2 is equal to 24. Then we go to question after 16. 3 over 4 of 16. 16 divided 4 is equal to 4, and 4 multiplied 3 is equal to 12. Then we say 2 over 3 of 30. 30 divided 3 is equal to 10, and 10 multiplied 2 is equal to 20. You need to remember, you divide by denominator, and then you multiply by the numerator. So this one is exactly equals to 20. So we say the answer is equals to 20. We go and join it with this one. Then the one after, we say this one, the answer is what? Is 24, which the answer is what? Is bigger than 20. Okay, 24 is more than 20. So we go on, join this with more than 20. Then we join the one answer. After that, we say what this is 3 over 4, we say is equal to 16. And as you see, 16, this is 12. 12 is what? Is less than 20. We go on, join, the answer is less than 20. Then we go to the last thing here. This is 2 over 4 of 30. We say 30 divided 3 is equals to 10, and 10 multiplied 2 is 20. So the answer is equal to 20. So we join this where the answer is equal to 20. I'm going to color it here to make the answer is more clear a little bit for you. I like change them to different colors. Okay, so I make this one in green, and I make this one, for example, like what? In any different color, let's say red. And I do make this one also red because they are both of them the same answer. Okay, make this also red. Okay, and then I go to this one and I make it for you. Which one? Sorry. Okay, we say this one. We make any color. For example, it's yellow. Okay, so you could have different color and the answer will be more clear. Okay, let's go to question after. They say 1/6 of a number is equal to 30. You need to understand how it looks like. It looks like that 1/6 of a number equal 30. They give me the final answer. They don't give me the whole number. So this final answer, first, I'm going to divide by the numerator. I say 30 divide 1 is equal to 30. Then I multiply by the 6 is equal to 180. So the number is 180. Let's go to question after question number 9. Zara says to find 7 over 10 of 100, I divide by 7 and multiply by 10. Explain what she has done wrong and correct the statement and find the correct answer. Okay, we say she must divide by 10 and multiply by 7. This is what she has done wrong. And say to find 7 over 10, 7 over 10 or 7/10 of 100, I divide by 10 and I multiply by 7. So I will do what? This is what I'm going to do. I'll say 100 divide 10. That's equals to 10. Then I multiply this 10 by what? By 7. And the answer is equal to 70. So they ask us here to find the correct answer. I say the correct answer is 70. Let's go to question after. They say Marcus has 42 stickers. He gave 2 over 7 of his stickers to Sophia and 1 over 6 of his stickers to Aaron. How many stickers does Marcus have now? First of all, we see how many stickers he gave to Sophia. We see he gave Sophia 2 over 7 of his stickers. His stickers are 42. So 2 over 7 of 42. And 2 over 7 of 42 is equal to 12. Because say 42 divided 7 is equal to 6. And 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12. This is what he gave Sophia. And he gave Aaron 1 over 6 of his stickers. So he gave Aaron 1 over 6 of 42. So we say 42 divided 6 is equal to 7, and 7 multiply 1 is still 7. So he gave Aaron 7 stickers. So he have 42 stickers minus what he gave to Aaron and Sophia. He gave Sophia 12 and Aaron 7. 12 and 7, they are 19. So we say 42 minus the 19 that he gave them to Sophia and Aaron. So the answer will be 23 stickers left for him. Let's go see question number 11. They say Zara, Sophia, Aaron, Marcus. Show method of answering the question. If 1/4 of a number, 1/4 of a number, we say 1 over 4 of a number is what is equals 8. What is a number? According to what we know, the missing is the whole number. So we say what? 8 divide 1 is equals to 8. Then we multiply 4 is equal to 32. Then we say what? The number is 32. Let's go and check each method. Zara, she said multiply 8 by 4. That's correct. She multiplied 8 by 4. And then we divide by 1 because it's 1. We don't need to divide by 8 because it's going to give us the same answer. So 8 multiplied 4, the answer will be what? Will be equals to 32. Last Sophia did. Sophia, she said divide 8 by 4. 8 divide 4 is equals what? Is equals to 2. And that's not correct answer. Let's see what Aaron says. Aaron says double the 8, and double the answer. When you double the 8, you get 16. And when you double the 16, you get equal what? Equal 32. So his answer is 32. Because a quarter, he have a quarter. He doubled the quarter to get half, and he doubled half to get the whole. Then we see Marcus. Marcus did this way. He said like quarter, this is the quarter. And this is the whole shape. And this will be also equal what? Is equal to 32. Because the 1/4 is equal 8. So which method would you use? Any of Zara's, Aaron, or Marcus' method are correct. Which method we don't use? We don't use Sophia's method because it is wrong. Because all their methods are correct except Sophia's method. 1 over 4 of a number is equal to 8. So the number is equals to 8 multiplied 4 is equal to 32. Then divide by 1 and the answer is still 32. So any one of the method is correct. And I prefer like what? Like doing Zara's method. Because here doubling is quarter. Sometimes it will be 2 over 3. Then you don't know what are you going to do to double it or what to do. That will be complicated. Markers, like it said what quarter. So if I said like, for example, like what, 17 over 100, are you gonna just like draw 100 and then like shade 17? That will be too much. That's why you need to do Marcus method. But I prefer Zara's method because you're immediately going to what? To multiply 8 by 4, and then after that you divide by the numerator. And your numerator is 1, so you don't need to divide by it. So Zara's method is the best method. That's all about this exercise. So don't forget to subscribe and to like the video, and see you next time on another different video, and have a nice and lovely, wonderful day. And goodbye.